Oh my god. Why are you watching me? I was just crying because Uber just got hacked. Is this the end of Uber? Oh my gosh, my friends. Oh, the best company, the greatest company in the world that treats drivers amazing. Pays driver, Uber CEO says they pay drivers $39 an hour. Oh no. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan here. We have a lot to talk about today. This very well could be the end of Uber, okay? And I'm not saying this lightly. There have been so many things wrong with Uber lately. It's mind-boggling how they're still functioning. It's mind-boggling that drivers still go out and drive. I can't even go out and drive for Uber. Somebody hacked into my account. You know, there's a massive Uber hack. There was another YouTuber by the name of Sarah Elizabeth. We already made a video about her, or her hack as well, and all these other YouTubers and gig workers who have been hacked. Uber specifically. I can't even go online with Uber because somebody went in and changed their email and changed their phone number, and my background check hasn't passed. I don't know what their whole deal is, their whole spiel, but they're deactivating drivers left and right. No warning, whatever. They're just like, yeah, you did give 15,000 rides later. But look at this. There was recently a massive Uber hack, which, by the way, there was just a study that came out that shows that Uber drivers and Lyft drivers, I believe just Uber drivers, yeah, Uber drivers, are taking home $6.20 an hour on average after expenses. I know the Uber CEO just said $39 an hour, but there's this new study. So we're gonna dive into all this stuff. Firstly, I wanna tell you all about Solo. There is an opportunity right now, if you're a gig worker, where tons of money is being left on the table, thousands of dollars. This app helps you as a driver manage your income, manage your expenses, so you're saving a ton of money on taxes, but also they have a guaranteed pay feature, so when you do go out and drive, if you do, for any of the major gig apps, they're gonna guarantee that you make money. And if you don't make that money, they're literally gonna pay you the difference. And they're sending you 10 bucks for signing up with our link. We got a little partnership with them. Solo, it's nothing big, but they're like, hey, you know what? We'll throw your audience a bone. Try out our app, we're new, we'll give them 10 bucks. Sign up with our link your gig account, and type in your payment method. It takes about 60 seconds or 90 seconds if you have slow fingers. I know some of you guys out there, your thumb, you know, anyways. Check out the link below for Solo, but look at this. There was a massive Uber hack, and yes, my account was hacked. I can't get in. Not only that, but my payment info is hacked, my address, my personal address is hacked, all my ride history trips are, you know, they can see all that. Just, that's out the window. Thank you, Uber. And I called up Uber support and they were like, oh yeah, you know, this happens to everyone. We'll help you get your account back. And they never freaking did. I talked to 10 different people on the phone and they're like, transfer me here, transfer me there. And then, you know, they're like, oh, thank you. You know, we're gonna send you an email right now after the call's up and we'll send you instructions on how to get your account back or whatever, try to get your email back. They do it. And then I don't hear from them, and I call back and I'm like, what the bloody hell happened? And they're like, oh, well, we'll do it again. And I'm like, no, because the last person said that. Anyways, Uber has been hacked and it does look bad. This is on Gizmodo. The hacker, which boasted of their achievements via Telegram this week, claims to be an 18-year-old who would allegedly gain such liberal access to the tech giant's network that they were able to slack the Uber workforce and post a picture of a you-know-what, a dude's private part, on the company's internal websites. Uber hasn't said much about its security debacle yet, aside from Thursday when it admitted that it was experiencing a cybersecurity incident. On Friday, the company also posted a brief update in which they claimed that there was no evidence that the incident involved access to their sensitive user data. Well, guess what, Uber? I'm living proof that somebody hacked into my account and leaked my sensitive data. User data. I'm a user, bro. I hate Uber so much. I mean, it's like, I have them to thank because, you know, they helped me pay off all my debt. But like, I don't know. Like, they were there for me when I needed them, but like now it's like, oh my God. I'm sorry, but I'm just frustrated. Uber's like my crazy ex-girlfriend that won't leave me alone. And it's like, are you gone yet? Can you just leave? So anyways, guys, Yeah, and the new study, I definitely recommend go check out that new study, $6.20 an hour. That was on Market Watch. Well, let's check out that interview really quick, that article. $6.20 an hour, Market Watch, Uber. Uber and Lyft drivers, yeah, net less than $7 an hour after California law passed driver-led study finds. That's on Market Watch. That's the title. Type that in. Ride-hailing drivers in California are taking home about $6.20 an hour under a law that was approved by the state's voters a couple years ago. That's Prop 22. So that was published by the Rideshare Drivers Guild, or Rideshare Drivers United, and National Equity Atlas. They partnered on that study. So check those out. And check out Solo down below. Sign up right now. If you're a driver for any of the gig apps, there's no reason not to. If you're watching this and you're like, Dylan, I'm not gonna sign up for Solo, just go do it. They'll literally send you 10 bucks on Venmo. Go buy yourself 5 cups of Starbucks with that money. You know, they'll literally Venmo it to you or PayPal it to you. I guess Starbucks raised their prices. Okay, maybe you'll get 3 or 4 free coffees with that money. Gosh darn inflation. Thanks, Joe Biden. All right, I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. And what do you guys think? I mean, this literally could be like, this is not good. Uber stock is down. I'll end the video there, but I mean, these are just my thoughts, spewing it out here. Thanks for watching, guys. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.